Mama?
Is.
We're going to be doing something a little different today. It's not Doorables, but remember when we unboxed that Miniso order?
Yes.
Well, we have a whole set of their fruit-themed ones where they get little fruit hats. So we're going to unbox them.
Should be entertaining.
Yes.
To see what fruity hats.
How fruity it is.
Fruity it is.
Yes, so Mom, pick one.
Let's just start in this corner. So
Yes. They're a little squished from travel, but that's okay.
That's okay, yes. I guess we'll just pop the top.
Yep, pop the top.
And
Oh, Mom, there was a little rippy thing.
Oh, there is a rippy thing. Oh, well.
Oh, well. Okay, please hold. All right, Mama. Let's get it out of the box.
Okay, so it's squish. Oh, my. Okay, they are squishy, yet,
Satisfying.
well, no, have a hard
Like
head.
slimy yet satisfying.
But actually, you know what? Inside the box, they show what it is. So,
Don't look.
fans, you will have to guess. This is one of the original Pixar, from one of the original Pixar films. And he says, the cloud.
You have saved our lives. We are
We're
eternally
eternally
grateful. It is the alien. Where's the hat?
Here's the hat. Oh
Let's
my
get
gosh,
the
this
hat
is-
on. Mom, what do you think?
Actually, I think these are really hilarious. So, you saw the alien before he got his hat. Wait. And now he is an alien. Oops. Lemon head. Actually, I think that's hilarious. And look, they actually made it with ear holes and an antenna hole. Too funny.
I think you're enjoying this now. Originally, she's like, what the hell did you get me? And now she thinks it's hilarious.
Yeah, so I know it is hilarious, and I do love Toy Story is probably one of my favorite Pixar shows.
All right, Mom, you gonna get out another one?
Yes, I'm gonna get out another one.
Okay. Any guesses on who it could be? Shush, puppy.
I'll just say, let's say Red Panda.
Okay. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I'm like wondering if it's Pooh, but the chin feels. Well, I'll guess Pooh.
Okay.
So let's see.
And after you open that, please hand me the packaging so I can show the dogs that they can't eat it, because you crinkling it is causing a disaster behind
Is
you.
it Pooh? Oh my gosh, it is Pooh.
Yeah, and he
Okay.
gets...
So look at Pooh, how super cute Pooh is by himself. But he's going to have a pink apple.
That's a
Like
peach. It's a peach, Mom.
Is it a peach? Oh,
Yes.
Okay, a peach head.
Yes.
So
Get that
come
peach
back
on.
and see that see here.
What do you think, Mom?
Okay, Winnie the Pooh wearing a peach hat, which could also go as a pink lady like Apple too, but
She was laughing the entire time that she was putting this
I
on.
mean, look at the bulbous like hat. Too stinking cute. And I have to say, these characters are very sturdy. A child actually taking off the hat could use that like as a tub toy or something.
Yes.
So it's super cute.
You gonna get the next one out?
Here's the next one. I'm opening, but I am not looking.
There's a little paper in there that
There's
shows
a
you
little
what it
paper,
is.
And I kind of want to just guess from the picture. So I am just pulling. Yeet. Okay.
Oh, Mom.
What? Paper's in there.
No.
Oh, the hat.
No.
Oh. Do we have a bonus?
Open it up and find out.
Oh, I know why. It's going to be Chip and Dale or Dale and Chip.
Show them Chip and Dale.
Okay.
Please hold.
We have Chip and Dale, and not the dancers. Too stinking cute, very sturdy. A young child would love to hold these in their little hands.
And they're big and they won't swallow them or
They're too
anything
big
like
to
that.
Swallow. So thinking for parents out there, or grandparents with young kids.
You gonna get their hats on?
No, they're little cherry. Oh my gosh, they're joined. So I will get their hats on. So they are matching set of cherries.
Okay,
And
Mom.
be right back.
Please hold.
These are super, super cute. Oh my gosh, look at them now with their little bulbous cherry caps.
And yet again, she's been sitting here cackling as she puts it on.
They are so stinking cute and funny. So yes, here's the cherries. Chip and Dale.
Look at how cute they
They
are.
are
Dee
cute.
dee dee dee. All right, Mom, you gonna start on the next one?
I am going to start on the next one.
Okay, please
this one
hold.
It's going to be single.
Yes, this is the only one that had double. So
Okay.
please hold. Okay, she's going.
Not
She's
looking.
pulling it out.
Not looking, not looking. Wait. Okay. I don't want to.
There's only gonna be one bag. Hand me the box.
Only one bag. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, guess what? This is Rachel's favorite. You can turn your camera.
Uh-huh.
I can tell by the ears. And he's blue. And he's from outer space. He's her favorite alien.
Stitch as a blueberry.
Stitch.
Please go put the hat on. All right, Mom.
So Stitch is super cute as a blueberry because Stitch is the right color. Booby, you need to be quiet. That's the dog. So here we go.
And we have 2 more left, so Mom's gonna start working on the next one. All right, Mom, who is it? Is it May or is it Lotso?
I think I'll guess May because thin bears, they're kind of similar in shape. So I'm guessing May. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, it's Lotso. Looking at the color, Lotso is pink-ish. Oh my gosh, Lotso is really cute.
Even if he's evil.
Even if he is evil, though, yes.
Yes. Okay, you gonna
So yes,
put
and
his little.
Lotso is a strawberry. Oh my gosh, look at the hat. It's almost like strawberry shortcake.
All right, Mom, you get the hat on.
So look at Lotso's face as a straw booble.
Are you enjoying these a bit more than you thought you would?
They're actually very hilarious, and you know what? Thinking back to childhood and playing dress up with your dolls, toys is actually a lot of fun, and this is hilarious.
Yeah.
So
So-
there's Lotso.
We have our last one. We know that that is going to be Panda May.
Yes.
So I will give Mom a moment to get Panda May out.
Yeah.
All right, Mama, what's in there?
Voila.
The-
Panda May.
I love the facial expression and the detail on the figure.
Yeah, really.
Like they even have the fade from the
this-
orange into the
this
red.
one is actually a little heavy. I mean, we'd have to weigh it. It's at least a half a pound.
It's quality.
Quality, yeah, and actually they're painted quite well.
Yes, the
Look at the
painting is
eyes,
very
too.
accurate
Yes.
on all of them.
Yes. So Panda May is, what is Panda May going to be?
An orange.
Oh, an orange. Okay, makes sense.
Okay, you want to get her little hat on?
Yes, let's get Panda May's hat on.
All right, Mom. Anything to say?
Just look. Orange, you glad we opened these today? You don't see her eye roll. She should switch her camera and show the eye roll.
I don't need to show the eye roll. I think they heard it from my side.
So these are actually very cute, and this one is quite heavy. So we should weigh it and find out.
Yes.
But thank you, everyone. This was something fun and new and different, but yes, the hats are hilarious.
Yes. So what kinds of things do you think my mom and I should open? Let us know in the comments. I don't know if you made it all to the end of the video, but I hope you enjoyed this new thing.
This fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy. Okay. Bye, everyone.